Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. How are you, my students? Hope we are all well by the Almighty Allah. Follow the topic, interesting topic, narration on mother and Rimu. The lessons we will learn here are: number 1, narration on mother and Rimu. Number 2, article gaps. Number 3, capitalization and punctuation mark. 3 items will be learned step by step. Follow here part 1, narration on mother and Rimu. Let's go to read out the passage narration. Why did you not go to school yesterday? Rimu asked the mother. I was ill, mom. How are you today? Well, answered the girl. Don't you worry for me. This is the passage narration between mother and her daughter Rimu. The several sentences are converts. Follow the answer here. The answer is displayed to you. The mother asked Rimu why she had not gone to school the previous day. Addressing her mother as mom, the girl replied that she had been ill. The mother again asked how she was that day. The girl answered that she was well. She also told her mother not to worry for her. This is the clear answer of the direct passage narration, and it is the indirect passage narration. Follow here again. I give the passage narration as a question, and now we will talk about the rules and regulations with the passage narration. Why did you not go to school yesterday? Rimu asked the mother. Asked the mother. This is the reporting verb. Why did you not go to school yesterday? This is the reported speech. Listen to me, the rules. If the reporting verb is in past indefinite tense and reported speech is in past indefinite tense, the reported speech will be changed into past perfect tense. I was ill, mom. This is also past indefinite tense, so this tense will be changed into past perfect. How are you today? This is the present indefinite tense. This tense will be changed into past indefinite. Answered the girl. Don't worry for me. It is present indefinite tense and imperative sentence. So this sentence will be connected with reporting verb by not to. Don't equal to not to. Let's go again the answer to memorize. Follow here. As per the rules and regulation I discussed to you, this sentence one by one has been turned into indirect passage narration. The mother asked Rimu why she had not gone to school the previous day. Yesterday, the previous day. Addressing her mother as mom, the girl replied that she had been ill. The mother again asked how she was that day. The girl answered that she was well. She also told her mother not to worry for her. From direct, this passage is indirect. Just by learning the rules how to change from direct into indirect, we can be able to change any direct passage narration. Thanks, we came to part 2 to learn article gaps. Follow here, the same passage is drafted here. Why did you not go to school yesterday, Rimu? Asked the mother. I was ill, ma'am. How are you today? Well, answered the girl. Don't worry for me. This is the article passage. Let's go how the articles are built in this passage. Follow here, there are 5 blanks. We have to fill up the blanks with article a and the or cross. Why did dash you not go to school yesterday? Rimu asked dash mother. I was ill, ma'am. How are you today? Well, answered dash girl. Don't dash worry for me. The 5 blanks are to be filled up by article a and the or cross. Let's go to learn at the first time the answers. Follow here the answers given. First article will be cross, second article will be the, third article will be cross, fourth article will be cross, and fifth or last article will be cross. Just 3 and 4 there are 2 articles particular. Okay, we will learn the answer from the passage narration given as article blanks. Follow here again, I give you the scope to learn the answer how to insert. Why did dash you not go to school yesterday? Rimu asked dash mother. I was ill, mom. How are dash you today? Well, answered dash girl. Don't dash worry for me. Follow the rules. If we see any particular subject or object, we have to use the before the word. When we will see no article is necessary, we have to use cross. This type of articles are used. Really, 2 functions of articles are applied here. Follow here again, I show the answers. First article cross, second article the, third article cross, fourth article the, fifth article cross. Follow the rules. Any particular item must contain the. If we see in the sentence no article is really necessary, then we have to use cross. This is the function of article. Thanks. Follow here, capitalization and punctuation mark. Here we will talk about capitalization and punctuation mark. Follow the same passage. Why did you not go to school yesterday? Rimu asked the mother. I was ill, mom. How are you today? Well, answered the girl. Don't worry for me. Okay, we read out the whole passage of capitalization and punctuation mark. Follow here, there are 5 words. Rimu, how, don't, me, mother. Rimu, mother, how, don't, me. There are mistakes or incorrect function in each word of 5 colored words. Rimu, mother, how, don't, me. What type of mistakes are there? Let's go to learn at the first point. Follow here the answer. Rimu plus interrogative sign. If the sentence is interrogative, we have to use interrogative sign. Again, we have to follow. Rimu is a proper noun, so R. Here R is to be capital letter. Mother plus full stop. Mother, this is the sentence. and it is the complete sentence, so we have to use full stop. How are you today? How? Here, how are you today? This is the first word of a sentence, so we have to use capital letter at the first point. Don't. Here follow D capital letter and DON apostrophe T. This is the important term, apostrophe. If we make any short rule of not, we have to use N apostrophe T. Worry for me. This is the last sentence, assertive. And here the full stop is given because of thinking. Because of thinking the passage narration, here we follow the direct narration and inverted comma plus full stop. Why not? This is the system. Again we can follow the answer and the question. Me plus full stop only. Here follow full stop plus inverted comma. This is the direct narration and direct speech. So we have to follow the inverted comma when the reported speech is given as a quotation. Thanks so much. Wish your good luck to the Almighty Allah. You must follow the whole changing function from direct to indirect. Then learn as per your experience.